it makes a pretty strong case for precognition, for PK, when you don't allow any selection of the targets by the subject. He's going to have to throw this the way the rules call for it. Now, if you let him say, I think I'll throw for 2s now for this run, or I think I'll throw for 5s the next run, then he has a choice, an option in which precognition could easily be conceived as a factor, but you can rule that out. Even with and there are other. It's true. There is a question whether our conditions for separating these types have gone far enough. Whether there still doesn't remain a need for a still finer distinction, but every science has to advance a step at a time, and that step is a little bit ahead of us for the present, at least. We think we've got these working types. We think that PK is something different in phenomena. Phenomenologically, it's something different from precognition. Basically, we've come to think that they are a single unifying function with reversibility and with different phenomenological, different appearances that the conditions determine. But I was still on this question of what comes out of this PK. We soon began to see that while we could influence moving objects, dice and coins and balls and so forth, we hadn't touched the question of whether or not we could influence living matter. Moving matter, yes. Living matter was a question. Many people believed they could. They could affect the growth of plants. They had the green thumb, or they were healers, faith healers, mind healers. So we had to face up to that and test people's ability to influence plant growth, to germinating seeds, or we influence various kinds of animal conditions. One experiment was to test whether a healer could awaken an anesthetized mouse faster than the animal would resuscitate itself. Experiments like that were openings on the PK test of living matter. Now, there is success on these experiments,